A warm good morning to one and all. Welcome back to our maths class. Last week we learned exercise 9a. That is how to find principal interest like that. Did you remember? What is the formula for finding interest? How to find simple interest? Yes, I is equal to PRT by 100. I is equal to PRT by 100. Then how to find amount? How to find amount if principal and interest is known? How to find? Amount is equal to principal plus interest, P plus I. P plus I. If P and amount is given, then how to find I? Principal and amount is given, then how to find interest? Interest is equal to amount minus principal. Amount minus principal. Now in this exercise we are going to learn how to find P, R and T when we know interest and amount. Okay, how to find P or R or T like that. Okay, see here first exercise 9b second question. Listen, second question. If rupees 3,750 amount to rupees 4,620 in 3 years at simple interest, find the rate of interest. Second question, the amount of rupees 7,500 in 5.5 years at the same rate of interest. See here, rupees 3,750 amount to 4,620 means here our principal is 3,750 and it is amount to 4,620. That means amount, total amount is 4,620 in 3 years. So time period is 3 years at a simple interest. Find the rate of interest. So if A and P are known, then we know that how to find rate of interest. Okay, here rate of interest. Then next one, the amount is 7,500 in 5.5 years at the rate, same rate of interest. So here the question is we have to find the rate of interest. We have to find rate of interest. Rate of interest means R. We have to find R. So let us check it. Here P and A is already given, you know. So in first case, two cases are there. First case, A, amount is equal to rupees 4,620. Amount is equal to rupees 4,620 and principal 3,750. Principal P is equal to 3,750. Now from this we can find interest. Interest is equal to amount minus principal because amount is P plus I, you know. See, amount is P plus I. Okay, amount is P plus Y. That's why I is equal to amount minus I is equal to amount minus principal. I is equal to amount minus principal. So 4,620 minus 3,750. So it is 870. 870. Okay, principal 870. Now time period is given 3 years. Time period is given by 3 years. Now we want to find interest, you know. So interest means R, rate of interest. We want to find rate of interest. So R is equal to 100I by PT. R is equal to 100I by PT. You want to find R, you know, in numerator 100 into I, interest. In denominator PT. So 100 into what is I here? Interest 870 by P. Principal is 3750 into 3. So cancellation. 0 and the 0 get cancelled. And 3 and 870. 3 and 870. 1 3s are 3. Here 2 3s are 6, 9 3s are 27. Okay. So 290. Now this 290 and this 375. Before that 10 and this one is cancelled. 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10. Here 7 5s are 35. 5 5s are 25. Okay, 75. Now 75 and 290. 1 5s are 5. 5 5s are 25. Here 5 5s are 25. 8 5s are 40. So 2 into 58 by 15. It is 116 by 50. 116 by 15 equal to 711 by 15. 711 by 15 percentage. Rate of interest is 711 by 15. Okay. First, A is given 4620. P is equal to 3750. So we know that amount is principal plus interest. That is, interest is A minus P. Subtract principal from amount, that is 4620 minus 3750. It is equal to 870. Now T is given 3 years. So we want to find R, rate of interest. What is the formula for finding rate of interest? 100 into I by PT. 100 into I by PT. Substitute the values. 100 into 870 by P. 3750 into 3. After cancellation, it is 116 by 15. 116 by 15. So 711 by 15. 711 by 15. Okay. Now in second case. In second case. It is second case. P is given. The amount of rupees 7500 in 5.5 years at the same rate of interest. So P is equal to 7500. P is equal to 7500. Rate of interest, the same rate of interest. So 116 by 15 percentage or 711 by 15 percentage. Okay. Time period is 5 1 by 2. That is 5 times are 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11 by 2 years. What is the interest? So what is the formula for finding interest? PRT by 100. So P is equal to 7500 into 11 into 116. 11 by 2 is the year, so 11. 2 in denominator. Then 116 by 15. 116 is in numerator. 15 is in denominator. Okay, 7500 into 11 into 116 by 2 into 15 into 100. This 2 0 and 0 get cancelled. Then 15 and 75 also cancelled. 2 and 116 also cancelled. So 250 into 116 into 11 by 100. It is equal to 10 into 29 into 11. 3190. Otherwise you can cancel here direct itself. Okay, this 2 0 and 0 like that. Anyway, answer is 3190. So our amount is, interest is 3190. So what is amount? Principal plus interest. Principal plus interest. So 7500 plus 3190. 10,690. Okay, once again see second case, they are given the amount of, find the amount of rupees 7500 in 5.5 years at same rate of interest. We want to find the amount of what? Of principal. Don't write A is equal to 7500. That is wrong. Amount is 7500. That is wrong. Not the amount. find the amount of this money. So this money means it is principal amount of this money. So this money means principal. So principal is 7,500. Rate of interest, the same rate of interest, that is 116 by 15 percentage. Time period 5.5 years. So interest we can apply direct formula PRT by 100. So 7,500 into 11 into 116 by 2 into 15 into 100. After cancellation it is 3190. Interest is equal to 3190. So amount is principal plus interest. 7,500 plus 3,190 is 10,690. Okay. Next question, third one. A sum of money lent out at simple interest doubles itself in 8 years. Find the rate of interest. In how many years will the sum become triple of itself at the same rate percent? Next, the sum of money lent out at simple interest doubles itself in 8 years. Find the rate of interest. So a sum of money, we don't know what is the money P. Lend out at simple interest doubles itself in 8 years. After 8 years, the money doubles itself. We don't know what is the sum, that is we don't know what is P, but it double after 8 years. Then the rate of interest we want to find. Then in how many years will the sum become triple? That also we want to find. First we want to find the interest. Then how many years will the sum become triple itself at the same rate of interest? So what is the time period to become 3 times of the money? Okay, first case the money become double in 8 years. At what rate of interest? At what rate of interest? And same way next one, the money become triple, that is 3 times. Okay, but we do nothing is given, that is P is not given, A is not given. So we know that how to take. Let P equal to 100. See, let P is equal to 100. A is equal to A. What is A? See, our question is the sum of money lent out at simple interest doubles itself. Sum of money means amount, you know. Sum of money means it is amount. It is double means 200. Suppose principal is 100. It double means A is equal to 200. It double means the amount doubles means it is 200. So A is equal to 200. Let P, first take let P is equal to 100 and its amount double means A is equal to 200. Double of 100 is 200, you know. Double of 100, 200. Now T is equal to 8 years. T is equal to 8 years. So we want to find R. What is the formula for finding R? 100I by PT. 100I by PT. So 100 into interest is 100. How? Interest is 100. Interest is equal to amount minus principal. That is amount 200 minus 100. So interest is equal to 100. Okay, interest is also 100. So 100 into 100 by P100. Time period 8. So this 2 0 and this 2 0 get cancelled. 100 by 8. 25 by 2 percentage, that is 12.5 percentage. Clear? 12.5 percentage. I is equal to A minus P. Amount minus principal. 200 minus 100 is 100. So 100 into 100 by 100 into 8. So it is 12.5. Our rate of interest is 12.5. Now second question. Second question, the amount is 3 times triple. So same way P is equal to 100, A is equal to 3 times of the principal. So 300 rupees. Okay, P is equal to 100, A is equal to 300. Now what is interest? Interest is A minus B, that is 300 minus 100. It is 200. Interest is 200. Now rate of interest is same the rate of interest, that is 25 by 2 percentage. Now time period we want to find. The time period at which the amount become 3 times means A is equal to 300. If P is equal to 100, what is 100 into 3? 300. So T is equal to 100 into I by PR. 100 into I by PR, that is 100 into I 200 by P 100 R 25 by 2. Now this 2 moves to numerator. So 100 into 200 into 2 by 100 into 25. Otherwise you can cancel this from here itself. 2 and 100, 50. So 50 into 25. It will become 50 into 25. Otherwise this 2 moves to numerator. So this 100 and 100 get cancelled. 25 8 times. So 8 into 6, 8 into 2, 16 years. Okay. The given sum of money will become triple in 16 years. Okay. Clear? Sum of money will become triple in 16 years. Okay. The time period at which the money become 3 times is the question. So it is 16 years. Clear? Now mark the homework question. Homework exercise 9 B. First question. First question is your homework. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.